Jason, Sir Jeboy from the outside. Okay. Approved. Touch of gold. Moving up by Daryl to grab the lead is Eagle Swings. Eagle Swings by about 2 lengths. Okay. Approved. Moving up is Raon. Running by Daryl. Sir Jeboy is racing in 4th, 5th, entry number 3. And this one is Mr. Universe. Alongside is Touch of Gold, Admiral Contender, Action Sailor, Royal Jewel, second last, and Compelled to Lead is running at the tail of the field. Eagle Swing, Raon to grab the lead. Raon, the leader. Eagle Swing, okay, approved. And joining them is Sir Jeboy. And inside the last 550, Raon. And on the outside is Sir Jeboy. Down on the inside is Eagle Swing. Okay, approved. In between runners as they race the final corner. Raon. Okay, approved. Sir Jeboy firing it out for the lead. Mr. Universe down on the inside. But Raon this time by about 2 lengths. Okay, approved on the outside. Sir Jeboy. Last 100. Raon by about 2 lengths now. Action Sailor. And finally, Raon, number 2, Action Sailor, Sir Jeboy, okay, approved, and Touch of Gold, Pentafecta.